You've probably seen tons of videos promising CapCut Pro for free, but here's the truth. Most of those download links are full of viruses. They can harm your device or steal your data. Downloading software from unknown sources is dangerous. But don't worry, I've got you covered. Today, I'm going to show you how to get CapCut Pro features for free. No risky downloads, no shady links. Just download the latest official version directly from CapCut's main website and enjoy all the features safely. If you found this helpful, please like, share, and subscribe. I'm Mama G, bringing you real tips that work, no tricks. First, go to Google and search for CapCut. Click on CapCut Desktop. Click on Download button to download to your system. Start the installation process. Click on Confirm to finish the installation. Now the installation is done. Open CapCut and let's start a new project. I'm starting by uploading my media. I just upload this video to the timeline. Let's start adding any Pro features. I'm adding a Pro filter to the video. After adding all the necessary features to the project, press Ctrl-A to highlight all. Right-click and select Create Compound Clip to make it one. Right-click again, and this time, select Pre-Process Compound Click. This will take a few minutes. Wait till it finishes processing. Now we are done. Let's click Export to save the video to our PC. Now we have gotten this pop-up stating that we have used Pro features, so we must join Pro before exporting the video. Immediately you see this pop-up. Don't panic, worry no more. I am here to teach you how to go around this, and after this, promise you will share and subscribe. Click back to editing and minimize CapCut. Locate CapCut on your desktop and make a right-click, then choose Properties. Click Open File Location. This will show you the CapCut version you are using. Click the back arrow. Click User Data. Scroll down and select Projects. Click the first folder. Now you will see all the project you have created. Find the project name. Let's go back and check our project name. So our project name is 0702. Now we have found our project name. Open the folder. Click on Resources. Then click on Combination. Now you found your videos here with the Pro features. Did you know CapCut is no longer fully free? Well, don't worry. Now you know how to get CapCut Pro for free. Hope you will like, share, comment, and subscribe.